In the digital age of 2026, earning cryptocurrency online has become more accessible than ever, even for beginners. But where does one start if they're new to this ever-evolving world of digital coins and blockchains? Today, we're unraveling the mystery with a step-by-step guide on how to begin your crypto journey without any prior experience. Let's start with understanding what cryptocurrency is. In simple terms, it's digital money that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin and Ethereum were some of the first names in the game, but hundreds of virtual currencies are now circulating. The questions you might have as a newcomer are how to obtain these currencies, and, more importantly, how to do so safely. First, create a cryptocurrency wallet. Think of this as your digital banking account where your crypto will be stored securely. There are various types of wallets: hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. A hardware wallet, being the most secure, resembles a USB device. If you're cautious about security, investing in a reputable hardware wallet is advisable. Once you've chosen your wallet type, set it up with a strong password and two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. The next step is to decide how you wish to earn cryptocurrency. One method is through freelancing. In 2026, many platforms now pay in cryptocurrency for your services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or developer, websites like CryptoGrind and Bitwage offer numerous opportunities. These platforms connect clients with freelancers, allowing you to earn crypto directly into your wallet for work completed. If freelancing isn't your cup of tea, consider participating in airdrops. Airdrops are essentially free distributions of new cryptocurrencies. They are typically given to users in exchange for simple tasks, such as downloading an app, joining a mailing list, or sharing a post on social media. It's a straightforward way to earn without investing any money, albeit requiring an eye towards discovering legitimate projects. Another beginner-friendly route is staking. Staking involves committing your crypto holdings to support a blockchain network's operations, like verifying transactions. By doing so, you earn more crypto as a reward. It's akin to earning interest in a savings account. But remember, this requires holding a certain amount of currency in your wallet. For those who enjoy providing creative content, creating your own NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, might be your gateway to crypto earnings. The NFT marketplace has exploded in recent years, allowing artists, musicians, and creators to sell digital works as unique tokens on platforms such as OpenSea or Rarible. While this requires some learning, it opens the potential to reap benefits from your artistic talents. Now, let's talk about education. The world of crypto is fast-paced and constantly changing. Therefore, continual learning is crucial. Utilize free courses and resources, like Khan Academy or Coursera, to strengthen your understanding. Being informed will not only guide you through safe investments, but also help avoid potential pitfalls and scams in the crypto space. Finally, consider joining online communities and forums. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Telegram have vibrant crypto communities where members exchange tips, news, and advice. Engaging with these groups can offer invaluable insights and lend a supportive network as you navigate your crypto endeavors. In conclusion, earning cryptocurrency online in 2026 doesn't have to be a daunting task. By establishing a secure wallet, choosing a method that suits your skills and interests, and continually educating yourself, you can confidently step into the digital currency arena. Remember, patience is key, as is diligence in verifying the legitimacy of your ventures. With these steps, you're well on your way to tapping into the vast potential the crypto world has to offer. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.